Hey y'all, this is Anna Alexander. Welcome to my basement on this day where I'm attempting to cruise through all 1,200 recipes in the International Bartender's Guidebook 1996. And since I'm watching all the things today and I'm drinking all the things today, I thought what better time to start the Apple series of the cocktail book with this one, the Apple Blow Fizz. This one includes a dry shake. Can I do a dry shake without making a mess of everything? I don't know. We'll attempt it. Okay, so here we go. A dry shake involves taking the coil from your strainer and dropping it into the cocktail shaker along with your egg white. Shake vigorously for 30 seconds. Then add your remaining ingredients, which includes 2 ounces of apple brandy, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a teaspoon of sugar. Add your ice and shake. Pour into your chilled highball glass, or in my case, a lowball glass since I don't have a highball, and topped with chilled club soda. The Apple Blow Fizz. You know, I don't taste much of anything. It's refreshing. It's not tart. Maybe I can do with a little bit more lemon juice. You can barely taste the brandy. It could use a garnish. Maybe a sugar rim or something, but you could drink 5 or 6 of these and not notice them. What do you think, y'all? The Apple Blow Fizz, is this one of your favorites? If you have the ingredients, try it out. It won't hurt you at all. And in the meantime, you can hit like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it and would love to see you again. Take care of yourselves, stretch your body, eat something substantial, especially if you're going to be drinking. And yeah, until next time, y'all.